let me show you step by step how to share on Google Drive without showing owner. So the first thing you should do after you open up your browser, you go to your Google Drive. So now you find the file that you want to share. I want to share this file. Right click on the file, go to share, and then go to share again. So from this option, now you click on this restricted. So now you select this one, anyone with the link. So now you click on this copy link and then go to done. So the next thing you should do, now you go to this new tab. In the new tab, now you paste in the link. After you paste in the link, so now if you look at the link, now there is last forward slash. So you delete everything from the last forward slash. So I'll just click on the link. So I'll delete everything beside the last forward slash. So then you type in copy. After you type in copy, then you copy the link. After you copy the link, now I'll open the link in a new browser like this one. So now I'll just go to new tab. I'll paste in the link. So I'll paste in the link. After I paste in the link, I'll click enter. So now as you can see, now it says copy document. So make a copy. So now whoever now have the link, if I now share the link with someone, now the person must copy it just is to ask the person to make a copy of the document into his own Gmail account. So the person cannot be able to see my own Gmail account. And make sure that this only works on a file, on a document. It's not working on a like video or audio. It only works on a document file. And that's it. If this video helps, like and subscribe.